This drink is called the Blair Gaither. We name all our drinks after our favorite people that come in here. Blair is a rum drinker, so we used Brugal Anejo, which is an aged rum. Gives a little bit of depth, but also gives a little bit of brightness because it's rum. Aperol to give it a little bit of bitterness. That bitterness balances out the Bananas de Brazil, which is a beautiful banana liqueur. Blood orange to give it a fruitiness. And then the acid in it is lime juice. 1 whole scoop of ice. Lock that tin. And then we drop it over ice. And then we serve it with some mint to give it a little bit of nose. Bright, earthy, and reliable. You know this just looking at it, even before you drink it. I think the whole concept of the bar is basically about the people that sit in the bar stools. We try to sort of gear the whole bar towards them, what they like. And I think that the logical next step is just name the drinks after them, you know?